This message is being transmitted by the United States government. Approximately 7:30 p.m., there has been a figure caught levitating and roaming around the city, killing anyone in sight. If you see this creature, please contact 911 immediately. This message is being transmitted by the United States government. At approximately 5 p.m., the creature that has been killing and murdering anyone in its path is identified as Sonic EXE. He is a fictional horror character with blue skin, bloody hands, sharp teeth, and red eyes. If you see this creature, please contact 911 immediately. Do not approach it as it is extremely hostile and would murder you in the most brutal way. Stay indoors and lock all windows and doors and barricade any holes outside of your house. Stay safe and do not go outside. This message is transmitted by the United States government. Sonic EXE is still on the hunt for people and has already killed a bunch of others. The estimated death toll is 90,000. Sonic EXE's wrath is just getting worse. We still advise you to lock your doors and windows and stay inside for the remaining time. Do not open the doors to anyone outside. If someone in your family goes missing, do not attempt to go looking for them, as it may result into death. Good luck.
Hello. Do you want to play with me?